The first thing we need to create an effective users file and integrate that with attributes data is to download the data from Data Hub, and we need the users data set. So this here is the full data set. We'll download that, and we're also going to need to download some differentials. You can tell by the size of these files that there is data here. So I like to download the last 6 ones, particularly if it's been a while since the full data set has been run. You're also going to need the attribute values. I can tell none of these files have data in them, so no changes have happened here recently. And if you want to use the actual names of your attributes, that is found in the user attributes definitions. The downloaded files all need to be unzipped, and you have to be careful that you're not overwriting one file with another. So here's how I do that. I unzip this file to its own folder. Then I take all of the differentials and unzip them into the same folder, and take advantage of this option to auto rename the files. Now these can all be deleted. And then we've got the users files all in one place that I can bring into Excel. I'm also going to have to unzip these two, and if there were differentials, I would do the same trick with them, but for the moment, we can get away with just unzipping them here.